In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Files app that's already on your device. If you can't find it here, quick tip, it should be in Google folder. And after tapping on it, click on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean. Hit Clean next to Junk Files. And last but not least, select Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!